Okay, the next activity, and if you have a long double block class, you can just continue on from the first activity, but the next day's activity is for students to actually decide which of the alginate structures they want to test, the spheres or the cylinders, and to make 4 grams of those structures and mask the grams on an electronic balance, and then take the 4 grams and put them in an Erlenmeyer flask with 100 microliters of hydrogen peroxide. Excuse me, milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. You can use an Erlenmeyer flask, or you could simply use a small soda bottle for this. It doesn't have to be an Erlenmeyer flask. The students will notice right away that quite a bit of bubbling occurs, and they are going to be collecting gas in order to determine the rate of the chemical reaction. To get the air out of the out of the Erlenmeyer flask, we're going to wait about 3 minutes for this to equilibrate before the students will actually start recording the change in volume every minute. And so they will have either had big cylinders, small cylinders, large spheres, small spheres, but 4 grams of that mixed with the hydrogen peroxide, and then they're going to be tracking the volume of oxygen that's produced every minute for 5 minutes. And they will be sharing data amongst different groups to see whether or not the large spheres or the small spheres or large or small cylinders actually had the faster rate of reaction.